In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset StreamYard password. Right up front, here's the key thing to know. StreamYard doesn't actually use passwords. Instead, every time you log in, StreamYard sends a unique 6-digit login code to your email. That means there's nothing to reset, no old password to remember, and no new one to create. You simply verify your identity with the code, and you're in. Let's walk through the exact process so you can access your account quickly and confidently. First, open your browser and head to the official login page at streamyard.com/login. It's a good idea to type the address directly into the address bar to make sure you're on the correct site. Once the page loads, you'll see a simple field for your email address. Enter the email that's linked to your StreamYard account. If you use multiple emails, be sure to use the same one you originally used when you signed up. There's no password box here because StreamYard relies on that 6-digit code for authentication. After you submit your email, switch over to your inbox for that address. Now, look for an email from StreamYard containing your 6-digit login code. It usually arrives within a few seconds, but give it a minute if your inbox is busy. If you don't see it right away, check folders like spam, junk, or promotions, and make sure your email filters aren't hiding it. Keep in mind, the code is time-sensitive and unique to this login, so plan to use it promptly. Go back to the login page and carefully type the 6-digit code exactly as shown in your email. Avoid adding spaces and double-check each digit. It helps to keep the login tab open while you fetch the code so you can enter it without starting over. If you paste the code, ensure you don't include extra characters. Once the code is entered, click Login. If the code matches and is still valid, you'll be taken straight to your StreamYard dashboard. From there, you can manage your broadcasts, destinations, and settings just like normal. And that's it. No password reset is needed because passwords aren't part of StreamYard's login system. Each time you sign in, you'll receive a fresh 6-digit code, which keeps things secure and simple. For faster access next time, consider bookmarking the login page and make sure you can quickly check the inbox for the email you use with StreamYard. You're all set to go live without the hassle of password resets.